Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I'm gonna keep with the theme of simple. So if you watched last week's video and you thought, that's easy, well, this week's video is easy peasy. So this time of year makes me think of pumpkin patches. And I went to my very first pumpkin patch last year, and so I was inspired because it was just so cute. But I realized not everybody has time to go to the pumpkin patch. So I'm bringing the pumpkin patch to you, and it's edible. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your very own pumpkin patch dirt cups. So if you wanna see what that means or how I do it, just keep watching, and you already know before you go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Jumping straight in, here's what you need: pudding, sandwich cookies, pumpkins, and food gel. So I'm gonna take my sandwich cookie and separate it. I'm just gonna use the cookie side and repeat till you've got a good amount of cookies. And then I'm gonna put them into a sandwich bag and take my rolling pin and just beat them up until I've got some nice pieces that'll look like my dirt. So now that I've got my pudding, I'm just gonna take a couple spoonfuls of the crumbled cookies and put them on top. So we've got a nice bed of dirt here. And then I'm gonna take my pumpkins. I only needed 2. I'm gonna lay one upright and one on its side. And now with my food gel, I am going to create the vines for my pumpkins. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the pudding cup and your pumpkin patch, but with a full moon. So you'll take the other side of the sandwich cookie and the side that has the icing and lay it in the back, and then repeat the steps where you're gonna put in just the right amount of your crumbled cookie for your dirt before adding your pumpkins and your vines. So there are my pumpkins, and then I try to get a little fancy this time and make my vines, but do you, y'all. But that's it. It's that simple, and you can bring the pumpkin patch to you anytime.